Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to request a ride on Bolt. Bolt is a convenient and reliable ride-hailing app that allows you to get around your city quickly and safely. First of all, download and install the Bolt application and launch it open and sign into your existing account or create a new one. Once you're inside the homepage of Bolt after logging in, go ahead and tap on the Where To option at the bottom if the ride is available in your area. Soon after you tap on that, you'll need to go ahead and enter your pickup location, or if your GPS is enabled, you can tap on Current Location. After typing in your current location, go ahead and enter your drop-off location in the next text box. Right after you do that, go ahead and select if you are booking the ride for yourself or someone else. On the next page, a ride option will be provided to you. Select how you'd like to pay for your ride and then click on Confirm Order at the bottom. Soon after you do that, the app will search for nearby drivers. Once the driver accepts, you'll see their name, car model, license plate, and photo. You can track their arrival on the map in real time. Wait for the driver at your pickup location, verify the car and driver details before getting in, and enjoy your ride. So that's how you easily request a ride in Bolt. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.